We would like to talk to dads in Bristol because we know that mother's mental health is crucially important to child development. However, we know very little about the role of fathers in these families. This study that has been funded by Wellcome Trust is particularly interested in dads with specific focus on fathers, and we really want to understand what roles fathers play in families where the mothers are experiencing mental health difficulties. Research on fathers in this area has been somewhat neglected, and we really want to bridge the gap to understand how fathers experience and do fathering and parenting in these families. We would love to hear from Bristol dads who are parents to young babies between the ages of 6 and 12 months old to take part in our study. We would hope to hear from all dads. They don't necessarily have to be biological dads. What really matters is their involvement and presence in child's life. So those dads who agree to take part in research would be asked to use wearable technology, the HUD cams, for a short period of time while they are interacting with their young child as they would normally do. Normally this would be a feeding or a playing task. This will help us to capture in great detail how fathers interact with their children. Knowledge in this area is vital and is still majorly lacking. We would also ask some dads to fill in behavioral diaries just to capture their day-to-day interactions and routine activities with the child. And we would also hope to talk to dads and their partners about the experiences of parenting separately, individually, but also with their partner as a couple.
I think it's relatively easy to take part as long as you can maybe sort of manoeuvre things around in the week, and I just think it's really important maybe just to take that hour or so to be able to feel like you can try and make a difference, because ultimately it's going to be for the benefit of your little baby, really.
I think actually for us it's been very straightforward at the same time.
Hasn't it?
I think it's important for dads to take part in research, and dads specifically, because sometimes perhaps we're underrepresented. Perhaps dads find it difficult to take part in research, but that means that some of the research is perhaps skewed. So actually the more dads that can take part, actually the better the results would be.